First of all, the language has been kind of legitimized in, if you like, something which I might describe as the collective attitude of Israeli society, and for two opposing reasons, two different, very different reasons. Let's start with my family. I'm now grandfather of 5 grandchildren. One of my daughters is married to a boy whose father is a Sephardi Jew from Monastir, Ladino-speaking Jew. His mother is Iraqi, and one of his grandfather was a Polish Jew. My grandchildren are now, if you like, 20% Polish, 20% Sephardi, 20% Iraqi. I don't know. I'm just kidding, but you see what I mean. In today's Israel, except for the Ultra-Orthodox, the linguistic and cultural differences have no meaning for the younger generation whatsoever. For the kids, it sounds, Yiddish sounds like Swedish or something. They can't tell the difference, except for the Ultra-Orthodox. But the Ultra-Orthodox, again, it's political, it's not linguistic and cultural. So the Yiddish thing is not the major thing. The other things, it's kind of, counter-culture of the Ultra-Orthodox is the major thing, not the language per se. The attitude has totally changed. For example, in Sholem Aleichem Hoys in Tel Aviv, we have Israeli young soldiers, boys and girls, on their free time, they would go and study Yiddish. Okay, and they have, I think, 150 students in one class. Today, Yiddish is part of the cultural heritage. That's just this. There is nothing negative whatsoever. Neither the political one I mentioned earlier, nor this cultural Zionist old-style, Hebraism. But it took 40 or 50 years. Now I'm very popular in Israel in those terms. I'm the only Sabre who can claim, Yiddish-speaking, non-Orthodox background, who could speak in Sabre Israeli Hebrew on Yiddish matters. Okay, so it's very popular. I'm, very popular on Israeli shows, on radio and TV, for example. I make a living out of it. I'm not joking.